Ka Joint Directorate Quality Committee and Quality and Patient Safety Division kala penlong ya ke jinglek Burom ha ke Sngi baar ban ai nam ai Burom ya ki hospital ban iki Jingsumar ba per na ke benta ki jing ai Jingsumar ki babha. Ka Ganesh das MCH Hospital kala yok pediang ya ka Lakshya Certification na ke benta ka tenat Operation Theatre jongka bat ka yok ru ya ka nam kum ka District Hospital ka babiang tam. Kato kat neteli ki Pharmacy Health Center PHC bat ki Community Health Center CHC kila yo ya ka Khusnam kaya kalp na ka benta ki Jingshakri ba kraw tam jengki minta usnam. I menteri ka kuat ka kia ikong amperin lengdo ila banjur ba ki niki Khusnam ki dai ki jing itu ya ki jing persang ratba jengki ha ka ban penbiang ya ki lat Jingsumar wat hapadang ki ding pengkiang ki babun. U Health and Family Welfare Commissioner bat u Secretary u Joram Beda ulapan pau ya ka jingya trelang kum kadau jong ka jingkiu ki kam ai Jingsumar ha ka ne ka jilla.
Awards are not that important for us. The award in itself is a recognition of your hard work. But the challenge for the government of the state is to ensure that alongside these awards, you're reaching out to citizens and being there and providing them these services when they need them most urgently.
Kum ka jing tmu ban kintiu ya ka kerdan puli